All right, why don't we go ahead and bring in national trial attorney Michael Jaafar, who is here with us now to discuss. Michael, I believe we got those technical difficulties worked out. Nice to see you, Michael, as we watch this case out of Boston, and Judge Ashley and I have talked about it. It is so fascinating, this case. It's a retrial for him. Give me your thoughts. We're just listening to someone on the stand now just talking about, this is a rape case, and she's providing some testimony now. What are you taking away?
What I'm taking away is this is a very winnable case for the defense attorney. If the defense attorney performs on even half of the promises he made in his opening statement, he should get an acquittal. I'm thinking of two rape defendants I represented with identical facts, minus the whole Irish fleeing the country thing, and I got an acquittal for both defendants, right? And I was a young attorney. This is a very winnable case. The burden of proof of beyond a reasonable doubt is a very, very high burden. It's the highest burden in the land. And so with no DNA evidence and with the corroborating evidence of her being in that room, not being accosted and brought into that room, there's so much reasonable doubt. Did he probably do it? Maybe. Women usually will not lie about something like that. So my hunch tells me he did it. But whether or not he's guilty beyond a reasonable doubt, that is a very high burden. I'm curious as to why it was a hung jury in the first trial, but this is a very winnable case. The defense attorney is an average order. He could have done a much better job in the opening statement, but he linked the events in a way that, for me, I said, if he can prove half, if he can deliver on half of those promises, it should be an acquittal.